They think it's just a bird. But the raven remembers faces. It remembers who hurt it. And it never forgets. The raven doesn't rush. It watches. It waits. It plans. Scientists say ravens can solve problems even young children struggle with. It uses tools. It tricks others and strikes only once. In ancient times, ravens were the eyes of the gods, watching, remembering, judging. Silence is not weakness. Observation is power. While others make noise, the raven learns. And when the moment comes, it never misses. Be like the raven, silent, smart, unforgettable.